Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'll be making some fried fish and I'll be doing it New Orleans style. So let's get started. Alright, so back here I have eggs, 5 eggs, and as you can see, tons of hot sauce. You want to beat this up really well. The fish that I'm frying is snapper, but absolutely you can use whatever fish you want to fry. As long as it's fish, fry your fish, whatever you prefer. Let me put this down in here, hopefully it doesn't fall. Alright, so over here in that bucket, this is what I have. I have 2 of these down in there. This is the Zatarain's New Orleans style fish fry, and that's all I have in there. I'm not going to add extra seasoning to it. As you guys know, this has sodium, so you want to watch that. I'm going to season the snapper with this Old Bay, which is not traditional, but that's what I have today, and that's what I'm going to be using. But salt and pepper would suffice. Alright you guys, so this is my fish seasoned up. I have it down in my egg mixture. All you're doing is rolling it around. Rolling it around and put it down over here. Rolling it around just to coat it. If I was just making fish fillets, like, you know, maybe, I don't know, whiting or something like that, or catfish, I probably wouldn't even do this step. I'll probably just go ahead and put it in the mixture. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the top onto my Tupperware and shake it up and fry this big old snapper up. Matter of fact, let me show y'all what I did. All I did was do that. Turn it upside down. Ooh, just like this. And flip it back over. And I do this like 5 times. And then it's coated. I don't have time. Like, that's it. That's it. And there it is. Perfectly coated every time. Of course, I could have used a bag, but I don't believe in putting them in plastic bags. For whatever reason, it's a personal choice of mine. So I throw it in the Tupperware and shake it up. And that's it. Alright, you guys. So, I'm just dropping my fish. I'm not sure I could fry all 4 pieces, but I'm definitely going to fit 3 pieces down in here. I can't wait. Guys, look how golden and pretty those are. It's crazy because I never fried like whole fish with those fish fryer packets and stuff. You know, you don't fry them like that, period. But I wanted to give it a try, and it's coming out pretty good. So, alright you guys, so this is what dinner looks like. I have my fish right here. For whatever reason, that frying mix thing made them like extra big. Like they look, let me push this camera up. Look how big the pieces got. But anyway, I garnished it with some lemon wedges. Back there, as you guys know, I always made my fried festivals. And over here is the pickled pepper and onion that I made on my previous video. I'll also link it below. So we're going to eat it with these pickled peppers and onions. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time on my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I'm really surprised at the texture and things, you know, frying whole fish with that mix. Usually it's just done with fillet fish, but it worked well here. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.